Hey guys, Dominic with MDP Auto. Today's video, we thought the van might need a little bit of a different look to it. We got some extra wrap, so we thought might as well wrap the van. It needs a new look, it's a new year. So I gave it a nice wash, scrubbed down, went through every nook and cranny, cleaned it all up, and we're pretty much just gonna time lapse the rest of this. We're gonna try to knock it out today, all today, which is unnecessarily too fast, so it might be a little chopped. It's 2:46 now, so 3 o'clock almost. Hey guys, 72 hours later, the van's complete, almost. It's looking good. It's two colors, two-toned. It's not perfect by any means, but I think we did pretty good, pretty all right. It's not perfect, like we said, by any means. This is supposed to be like a 10-foot car. This is just a work vehicle, so as long as the good looks good from the highway, 10 feet away, we're good. Next thing we have to do is cut out some logos and letters and numbers, etc. to put it all over the van to let this thing be a massive billboard on the highway and streets. That's gonna be the next step. I just hope everything's gonna go well and go to plan.